I have MICROMAX Canvas and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Use Chrome, tap More key, select here Settings, scroll down, under Advanced, let's tap Privacy. So here you need to scroll down again and choose Clear Browsing Data. As you can see here, you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, save passwords and autofill from data, and you can clear data from exact range of time. It could be from last hour, last day, or for example from all time, so let's choose beginning of the time. If you would like to clear those data, let's tap Clear Data. And that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.